Hey guys, this is Brooks from Madrid Academy, and today I'm going to be telling you a bit about the GRE exam, which stands for the Graduate Record Examination. The GRE is an American exam for entrance into graduate school, so for master's degrees. Most universities in the United States and in other places as well will require the GRE for just sending in your application to the school. Now, in the GRE, there are three main parts. So there is analytical writing, verbal reasoning, and quantitative reasoning. Now, within these sections, you have two parts each. So in the analytical writing section, you have the issue essay, and you also have the argument essay. In the verbal reasoning section, you will have two parts. And within each part, you have three different types of questions. You will have text completion, reading comprehension, and sentence equivalence questions. And in the quantitative reasoning section, you will also have two parts of math. Now, in the class, what we focus on the most is actually taking practice exams, taking verbal reasoning practices, taking quantitative reasoning practices, and just getting to know the exam as best you can. Another thing that's really important in the verbal reasoning section is vocabulary. So we also do a lot of practice in learning new vocabulary words, things that you'll need to know to answer questions that they give you in the verbal reasoning section. In terms of the essays, the two essays, this is usually something that we give for homework, and then we'll go over these in class. But also sometimes we will do essays together in the class to make sure that you guys know how exactly to do them and the best ways that we suggest you do those essays. Now, one of my biggest tips for anyone who's going to take the GRE is to learn new vocabulary words. In the verbal reasoning section, this is the part that gives non-natives the biggest trouble. The vocabulary that's required for the verbal reasoning section is quite advanced, and it's even difficult, quite difficult actually, for native English speakers. So as non-natives, it's really, really important that you focus on learning new vocabulary. So when you come to one of our GRE classes, the only thing that you need to bring will be a pen and paper. Everything else is provided. All of the course material, the practice exams, the vocabulary, the essay prompts. We will provide you with GRE-specific vocabulary flashcards and lists of vocabulary for you to learn your words and make sure you're as prepared as possible for the verbal reasoning section. So we will see you guys here at the Academy very soon. Bye guys.